Hit the sack. To go to bed. I'm very tired tonight, so I'm going to hit the sack early. After a long day at work, he just wants to hit the sack. Feel blue. To feel sad or unhappy. I feel blue when I miss my friends. She feels blue on rainy days. Under your nose. Something is very close or obvious, but you don't notice it. The keys were under your nose the whole time, but you didn't notice them. He found the mistake right under his nose in the document. Burn the midnight oil. To stay up late at night working or studying. She burned the midnight oil to finish her project on time. I had to burn the midnight oil to prepare for my English exam. Out of the blue. Something happens suddenly or unexpectedly. Out of the blue, my old friend called me after many years. She got a job offer out of the blue last week. Under the weather. Feeling sick or not well. I feel under the weather today, so I will stay at home. She didn't come to work because she was feeling under the weather. Call it a day. To stop working for the day. We have finished our work, so let's call it a day. After studying for hours, I decided to call it a day. On cloud 9. Feeling extremely happy. She was on cloud 9 after getting her dream job. He felt on cloud 9 when he heard the good news. Time flies. Used to say that time passes quickly. Time flies when I'm on the weekend. I can't believe it's already December. Time flies. Pull someone's leg. To joke with someone or tease them. Don't worry, I'm just pulling your leg. He likes to pull his friend's leg for fun. Spill the beans. To reveal a secret. He spilled the beans about the surprise party. She accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party before the invitations were sent out. Rain cats and dogs. To rain very heavily. It was raining cats and dogs, so we stayed at home. Yesterday it rained cats and dogs all afternoon. Over the moon. Extremely happy. She was over the moon after passing her exam. He felt over the moon when he got the good news. Work like a dog. To work very hard. He works like a dog to support his family. She worked like a dog to finish the project on time. Shoot the breeze. To have a casual and relaxed conversation. We sat in the cafe and shot the breeze for hours. They like to shoot the breeze after work. As fit as a fiddle. In excellent form or health. After months of exercise, she's fit as a fiddle. He was as fit as a fiddle before the illness, but now he is weak. Eat like a horse. To eat a lot of food. After the game, he ate like a horse. My brother eats like a horse but never gains weight. Zip your lip. To stop talking or keep quiet. Please zip your lip during the movie. The teacher told the students to zip their lips and listen carefully. Thick as thieves. Very close or friendly. We have been as thick as thieves since kindergarten. Those two colleagues are as thick as thieves. They even take their lunch breaks together. Cry your heart out. To cry for an extended period of time. My sister cried her heart out after the breakup with her boyfriend. The girl was crying her heart out after she lost her toy. In black and white. Something is clear, official, or in writing. We teach daily English words in black and white for easy learning. English learning made simple, clear, and easy to follow in black and white. Born with a silver spoon. A person who is born into a wealthy family. She wasn't born with a silver spoon, but she achieved success through hard work. Being born with a silver spoon doesn't always guarantee happiness. By heart. Exactly, and from your memory. I learned the English alphabet by heart when I was a child. If you practice every day, you can remember many phrases by heart.